lovers, welcome to my channel. Let's get this journey started. Good morning everybody. I am right now in my Benz, and you can see this alarm right here. It says Auxiliary Battery Malfunction. I'm going to show you right now how to replace it. There's like no point of even trying to troubleshoot it, whatever. Normally when this alarm comes on, it's because that battery's low voltage, and this is a secondary battery from your main battery that helps keep the electronics and stuff like that working. And I do know from having this car parked for a while, it's eventually going to drain. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my car off, and I'm just going to show you what I've done so far, because I don't like to make videos and start showing how to turn a wrench and stuff like that. But pretty much what you're going to do is your side fuse panel, this is going to be in here. This is going to be in here, and what you want to do is you want to grab something into this nature plastic piece or a smaller one that I do have, and just kind of put it in there. If you don't have anything like this, like the smaller ones, you can actually grab a plastic fork and come in here on the side carefully and take in, and put it out a little bit. When it's popping out a little bit, just go ahead and grab it from here and just pull it. You don't have to do it hard now, like with a lot of force, just enough leverage to pop it out. As soon as it pops out, just be careful. Look inside with your these brackets are, because you don't want to just crack this and break this. And once you take this out, then what you're going to do is, there is your two bolts here, and these are 25 your 25 Torx. You take this off, so that way you're going to have to be able to get access in there when you're trying to hold the battery back up. And then right here, this is a 10 millimeter bolt, which is here, and then you're going to go ahead and take it out. And then what you want to do is underneath your panel, because it's got to come down, your panel down here, it's got four screws also that you're gonna have to take out, and these are also 25. And once you loosen this up, and once this bolt right here is loosened up, then right here you're gonna see right here is your auxiliary battery. So I'm about to disconnect this stuff right now and get ready to put a new one in. All right, and it seems like a simple complex here, but yeah, it's got to figure this out, how to take this off, and then I'll tell you guys. Alrighty, so I got the battery out right now. It's a real small one, and I'm going to definitely have to go back to the shop, because I went to Interstate Batteries and they gave me a huge one, and this is definitely not going to fit in here. The big battery they gave me. But once you loosen it up, see, you guys can kind of see it, this bracket right here. You know, you have your two wires right here. It's very difficult to see in here, but you have you see the red one and the black one is your positive and negative. So you're gonna go ahead and pull those, which is right here. Same concept as your main battery. Always go with the negative first, and then your positive. And then when you're going to reinstall it, is the opposite. So what you're going to have to do is right here, there's like a leverage right here. It's like a metal bracket. I'm trying to see if I can turn it maybe this way right here. Yeah, there you go. There's this leverage. You got to pull it out and then grab the battery from underneath here and start pulling it away. And once you pull it away, it's released. So I'm not going to be able to continue right now. But pretty much the same concept is going to be, you're going to go ahead and connect your positive, your negative, put it back into the bracket, lift this back up, screw your bolt, screw this back together, because you're going to have to come in here and try to hold the battery from down there. And then once that's put together, tightened up, then you're going to put this piece right back in here, put it in here on the side, and put your panel back in here. The 2 points right there, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Put it back in there. Snap it back in to these holes right there. And then that's it. So when I come back, I should be starting the car up. Alright everybody, I am back. So before I put this battery in, just want to show you these batteries. Mercedes-Benz interstate batteries. $130. You go online, the cheapest you might find is $90. Interstate with this right here, it was $32.99. And since I'm a regular customer, I went ahead and got the same battery for $12.99. You can see it right there, 12 volt battery, $12.99. What a huge savings. The only difference is, if you look at it here, as far as looking at it like this, the only difference is that your Mercedes-Benz, the positive's on the right, on the interstate, the positive on the left. So you make sure you switch the things, the wires, part to plug it in. Then you come here, the length is the same. The width is just a little bit different. If you look at right here, it's a little bit shorter, but it doesn't matter because in the bracket you put in it as far as the width wise go. And if you are in the Norfolk area in Virginia, go to Interstate Batteries in Sabre, I think it's Sabre Street, and ask for Shay. She definitely would take care of you. Tell her Dave sent you. And other than that, that's it. I'm gonna put it in. All right, guys, the battery is in, and I already explained to you guys the procedure. And now the last thing that needs to happen is up in here. Just keep in mind there is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws go back in. You don't have to take this whole panel off because all you need to do is just drop it down so you can access the battery. And I'm about to start the car. And you can see right there it says replaced key battery, which I did buy also at the interstate. And you should have no more alarms coming up anymore. And you guys saw that service D. I am going to explain to you guys here on a later date. And I have a copy of the services that a service D is supposed to be at Mercedes-Benz dealership, and I'm going to break it down to you. Instead of spending $400 to get that looked at, you can simply do it yourself and save yourself money. I'm all about savings. So technically in this video, if I would have bought the Mercedes-Benz battery for $130 and then pay for the installation, you're looking about, I think it was like $80-90 for installation, so it would have been over $200 something. So I wound up saving over $190 something. I wound up saving, if my math is correct. I'm just throwing some numbers up the yin yang. Let's have a calculator, but we do know that the battery is $130 at Mercedes-Benz, and then the installation is about $80. So do the math on that. It's about $2 something, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like my content, subscribe below and follow me in my journey as I show you how to do car maintenance and home repairs.